Hey guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome on back if you are returning. So today's video, if y'all have seen me in this outfit multiple times already, it's going to be another unboxing. Today is my unboxing day, and today is a fun unboxing. It's from a small black owned business called KEONI Naturals, or KEONI Naturals. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but I believe it's KEONI Naturals, which I think is such a pretty name. KEONI Naturals. I think it's pretty. Their Instagram and website and any discount code that I may have is linked down below if you are interested. I have never used any of these products. I wanted to do an unboxing before I used it. I plan on doing a twist out with these products very soon. I was gonna do it for my birthday, but procrastination. But I'm doing one this week, which is why I had this hat on, because my hair is not done right now, y'all. And yeah, so I'm just gonna hop on right into this. It came in this box. It was nice and secured, and when I open it, this is what it looks like inside of it. It came with like the little papers and stuff in it. I've opened it and looked through it, so it's not perfect like it was when I first got it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all everything. They sent me everything I would need for a really good twist out, which is why that's the plan. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you all the cards and stuff I was sent first. So it was just this thank you card for shopping with them, and they gave me a coupon code, so I'm just gonna cover that up because it's my personal discount code. I don't know if anybody can use it. If y'all can, I'll put it in the description box though. So it's just a cute card. I like their branding on Instagram. I really do like it. Again, that will be linked down below. But I really do like their branding, and just, you know, how they do it. Yeah, I really do like it. This is another card that I got. I believe this is the owner of the brand, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so their Instagram is _KEONI Naturals. They have a Pinterest, KEONI Naturals 0, and then their website is www.keoninaturals.co or .com. I don't know for sure, but I will have it linked down below. But it says .co, and that's the owner, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I will have all of the information down below, just in case you didn't see that, didn't get a good look at it. This is the KEONI curl box. So I'm gonna just read you what it says about the curl box. It says, evaluate your hair care. Evaluate your hair care. Experience the ultimate curl quench and hair growth all in one box. The KEONI curl box has everything you need to achieve an inevitable glow. Our hair care line utilizes the amino acids and rice water, vitamins A, E, and C from burrito fruit oil. Burrito, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, fruit oil, and the anti-inflammatory hair growing benefits of black seed oil to enhance, nourish, and moisturize your curls, all while promoting amazing growth. It's time to boost the health of your curls. And it got their website on it. Again, I believe it's .co, and their Instagram. Super cute little, you know, little card to get with it to explain to you the purpose of this. So I got 3 products, and I'm going to go ahead and just start off with the first one. This is the Fearlessly Natural Moisturizing Butter Whipped Hair Cream, and all of her products are geared towards 4C hair, which I think is amazing. It's nice to have brands that specifically looks out for type 4 hair, specifically 4C hair. You can use any product no matter who it's designed for, but with me and my curls, y'all know I have 3B curls, and my hair is finer and thinner, so I will obviously use a smaller amount of this. I don't have to use a whole lot. Pretty much is what I got from it, and I already looked at the consistency, so this is going to give me a bomb twist out, y'all. But I really do like the aesthetic of this. It got the name up here of the brand, and then all of that. This is 8 fluid ounces, and yeah, so when you open it, it smells natural. Like, it smells like herbs and oils. I personally don't mind the smell at all. It just smells natural. It smells clean to me. And this is what it looks like. And the consistency, see that? It's so thick. This is it. And this is a moisturizing butter whipped hair cream. Look at that. It's literally melting into my hand, my fingers. And it's so moisturizing on my fingers, y'all. This is going to give me a bomb twist out. But this is the moisturizing butter. And I always like doing unboxings before I actually use the products, because these are small black owned businesses. I want y'all to see its packaging and what they put into it. So this is the Fearlessly Natural Curl Custard Max Hold Hair Gel. And again, this is for 4C hair. So since again it's aimed at 4C hair, I would just use less of it, you know. I don't want it to be too heavy on my hair, which is what's good about products geared towards 4C hair. It's versatile. Those products that's geared for my hair, they would have to, people with 4C hair would have to use so much more of it, and it would still be too light for their hair. If it's a heavier product, I could just use less, which is good. I mean, the product will last longer. But yeah, I'm gonna open it for you. And this one smells good. Oh, it smells good. It smells clean to me. Again, it smells natural, like herbs, oils. I can't put my finger on what it quite smells like, but it smells good to me. And then this is the consistency. It's very loose, but I can tell that this will have a nice hold. I don't know if you can see, but it's like very light. But I can tell once this dry, y'all, it's gonna give you some hold, which again, I'm wanting for a twist out. So yeah, it's the maximum holding creamy hair custard. So you apply a small amount to wet hair from the roots to the ends. This gel is perfect for a wash and go, finger coils, twist out and braid out styles. So this product contains aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, xanthan gum, sunflower oil, olive oil, optifin plus, and fragrance oil, just for the smell. This one is natural as well. So this has distilled water, aloe vera, flaxseed gel, shea butter, serious growth oils, rosemary and lemongrass, essential oils, optifin plus, and again some fragrance. So yeah, this is handmade, y'all, so I always like that. And then lastly, I'm excited about, this is the KEONI Naturals The Takedown Frizz Tamer Shine Booster with Grape Seed Oil. And I think the name is so cute, The Takedown. And I love stuff like that. It like sprinkles like personality on it, and just like our black flair, like our blackness. I like that. So this is again oil. It's grapeseed oil, and I'm gonna just right there, it just sprays right on. It seems to be a very light oil. Oh, that smells good, y'all. It's a very light oil. It seems one squirt goes a long way. I just did one whole squirt. So yeah, I plan on using this to seal in my moisture, to help take down the twist. Like, this is gonna be a bomb twist out, y'all. I'm excited for it. But that is the 3 products I was sent, and all 3 of these products is the KEONI Curl box. So that's bomb. Everything smells delicious, especially this. And y'all always want the oil. Well, you should always want the oil to smell the best, because that's the last thing that's gonna touch your hair. And a good smelling oil, always so good. But yeah, this is the Takedown Frizz Tamer. Again, this is the Curl Custard Max Hold Hair Gel, and then this is the Moisturizing Butter, a whipped hair cream. All of these super cute. I love the aesthetic of this packaging. It's so cute, y'all. I really do like it. So please make sure to check out KEONI Naturals. Again, the website and Instagram will be linked down below. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Please make sure to check out that small black woman owned business. Make sure to check them out. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. Share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all on my next one. Bye.